Homeowners searching for casement window installation. Hilliard benefit from durable, attractive solutions designed for Florida weather. From South, Hilliard casement window installation projects to full residential window replacement. Hilliard casement style services, professionally fitted windows, improve ventilation, curb appeal, and daily comfort. A trusted casement window contractor. Hilliard can help property owners choose modern casement windows. Hilliard, exterior home casement windows Hilliard Florida, and home improvement casement windows Hilliard that match both style and budget. Whether the property is near downtown Hilliard or in surrounding Nassau County neighborhoods, new casement windows. Hilliard create a cleaner look and stronger performance. Storm protection is a major priority for property owners investing in hurricane-rated casement windows. Hilliard. In a climate like Hilliard, Florida, storm-resistant casement windows. Hilliard and hurricane impact casement windows. Hilliard, Florida offer peace of mind during severe weather and seasonal storms. Weatherproof casement windows for homes in Hilliard help reduce water intrusion, improve structural integrity, and support long-term home value. Many homeowners choose water-resistant casement window solutions. Hilliard, Florida, when upgrading aging units, especially with Florida-certified casement window replacement. Hilliard services from licensed casement window contractors. Hilliard. Energy savings make energy efficient. Casement windows. Hilliard. A smart upgrade for year-round comfort. Sealed frames and advanced glass packages help homeowners enjoy energy-saving casement windows in Hilliard, Florida, while reducing drafts and improving indoor temperature control. Options like double-pane casement windows. Hilliard insulated casement windows Hilliard and double-glazed casement window services. Hilliard are ideal for improving efficiency in both older and newer homes. High-efficiency casement window upgrades. Hilliard can also reduce outside noise, making noise-reducing casement windows in Hilliard an appealing choice for busy residential areas and homes near local roads. Material selection plays a big role in the appearance and performance of custom casement windows. Hilliard. Vinyl casement windows. Hilliard remain popular because they are low-maintenance, cost-effective, and available in many finishes, while premium vinyl casement windows, Hilliard, Florida, appeal to homeowners wanting upgraded performance and design. Aluminum casement windows. Hilliard are valued for strength and slim profiles, and wood casement windows Hilliard bring traditional warmth and timeless character to classic homes. A knowledgeable casement window company, Hilliard can explain the benefits of each material for residential casement windows, Hilliard, and help match the right window style to the home. Professional guidance makes it easier to compare products, pricing, and installation timelines. Homeowners researching the best casement window installers in Hilliard often begin with casement window estimates. Hilliard to understand material choices, labor requirements, and code-compliant options. Free estimate casement window services. Hilliard, Florida, help families plan for affordable casement window installation, Nassau County, Florida, while comparing products like double-pane, insulated, and storm-resistant units. Working with a licensed and insured casement window company, Hilliard ensures a smoother process from inspection through installation and final cleanup. Customization helps homeowners achieve a better fit for design goals, room layout, and property value. Custom home casement windows. Nassau County FL are ideal for remodels, additions, and unique architectural openings where standard units may not work as well. A local casement window company near Hilliard can provide custom casement windows. Hilliard with upgraded finishes, specialty hardware, grille patterns, and glass packages for privacy or solar control. These tailored solutions are popular in home casement window services, Hilliard because they allow each window to blend function with personal style. Replacement projects are a practical way to update older homes and improve long-term performance. Casement window replacement. Hilliard is often recommended when frames are warped, glass seals are broken, or windows no longer open and close smoothly. Hilliard Florida casement window replacement specialists evaluate current window conditions and recommend new casement windows. Hilliard that deliver better insulation, stronger operation, and improved appearance. Homeowners seeking affordable casement windows. Hilliard can explore options ranging from entry-level vinyl to premium hurricane-rated models, making it easier to find the right balance between performance and price.